Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how you can play EAFC Mobile with your friends. To do that, open the game and make sure you complete all the tutorials. Once you have completed all the tutorials, tap on the friends icon on the top right corner. Now tap on this icon. Tap on the search icon. Now search for your friend's username. Your friend's profile will now appear here on the screen. Tap on the add friend and send friend request. After sending the friend request, go back and ask your friend to accept it on their device. Now go to your friend's phone. Tap on the inbox section on the top right corner. Now accept the friend request. Once this process is complete, go back to your phone. Now tap on the friends icon. Now select your friend from the friend list and tap on match. Now choose the preferred game mode. Now go to your friend's phone. Tap on the inbox icon on the top right corner. Now accept the match invitation. Now finally tap on ready on your both devices. Here you can see the game is started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.